It's gonna be okay. I know you're having a really hard time right now, but I'm here to tell you that you're going to be okay. What you've gone through in the past has been really hard. And I know it can be really hard to let some of those things go. Things you wish were different. Things that were said that you wish could have been said differently. Events that took place that didn't serve you and have caused you a lot of pain in your present. Today we're going to let all of that go. We are going to clear it right away. And this might not just be things from the past, your past. It could be ancestral. Things that happened within your bloodline that are causing you trauma now and negativity and energy that is bringing you down in life. The past is consuming your present and taking away from your joy. You need this energy healing more than anything right now. This Reiki session is going to cut cords from a traumatic past. We are going to let it all go. I want you to imagine an energy cord connecting you to the past that will just not let you out of its grip. I'm going to cut it away. We are going to cut that energetic cord connecting you to the past or that ancestral trauma that is taking away from your joy. A little white sage to purify and cleanse your space. I want you to imagine a beautiful white translucent light entering into your energetic field. That is the distance Reiki that I'm sending you right here. if you can, I want you to inhale the present and exhale the past. That is a beautiful and simple mantra you can repeat to yourself as you're getting into this space and you're relaxing. Don't let it consume you though, let it be natural. Okay, just naturally inhaling the present and exhaling the past. Nice and easy. You know I'm always good for sage. I hope that you're feeling so much better. I hope that you're able to move forward in a space of peace, in a space of acceptance, and that you're able to feel free. You deserve so much love, joy, and happiness. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you drop me a comment below if this was helpful. I love hearing from you. Until next time, take care.